Hello everyone, myself Prasanna Kumar J, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government Postgrad College, Chenapatna. Okay, today I am taking your language English class, Eliminations 3 of Bangalore University. So the subject is the Three Hermits, session number 15, course is BA. So let us go through the text. The Three Hermits, written by Leo Tolstoy. So, Leo Tolstoy is one of the greatest short story writer of Russia, and he was born to an aristocratic Russian family in 1828, and he is best known for his novels War and Peace and Anna Karenina. And he first achieved literary acclaim when his 20s, and his semi-autobiographical trilogies, Childhood, Boyhood and Youth, and also the Sevastopol sketches based on his own experience in the Crimean War. So he also wrote many philosophical essays. So today let us go through the small story of the Three Hermits. So today I am taking introduction to the author and his works and interacting on motives and values. So objective of this class is make students understand perceptions of religions. So how religion is important nowadays. So students should know that. And what is the learning outcome? So learning outcome is student can analyze the idea of faith and belief. After studying this session, student can analyze the idea of faith and belief. Okay, let us move to another slide. So motives and values. So first of all, the concept of God. So what is this God? So who made God? Don't know, but we keep on worshipping it. So concept of God is somewhat different. We have many religions in the world. So we are practicing our own religion. So for concept of God is different to everyone. For example, we can see someone who sees God in each and every objects. In case if we take Bhakta Prahalada and Hiranyakashipu, so concept of God is completely different. So some are worshipping idols, some believes book is God, some believes fish is a god. For fishermen, fish is a god. To farmer, land is a goddess. So we have different types of concept of gods and ways to seek salvation. Salvation, how to seek salvation? So salvation is what? Salvation so we have to, our ultimate goal is we have to reach heaven. So where is this heaven? How to reach and how to solve our soul, salvation for our souls. So this story also talking about the salvation of the souls and ways to serve God. So what are the different ways one should serve the God? So whether you can help poor people, and by helping them you be God to them. So someone will help you, by that time will become your God. So that is what, there are many ways to serve God, not only offering your coconut, incense, flowers or anything. So that's a different matter. Okay. Values of our life. So what are the values of life, our life? So how to respect others? One should learn about life. So our life must have some values. We have to respect our neighbors and respect elders, and we have to live anyhow. So we must learn the values of our life and faith and prayer to seek God. So there are many ways to reach the God. That's why faith is very important for everyone. So prayer to seek God. So one should pray at God to see to search for Him. So prayer is a direct talking to God. So what is a prayer? Prayer is nothing but talking to God yourself. You and God. So in between you and God, you can speak. It's nothing but a prayer. So faith and prayer is also very important for seeking God. So let us move to another slide. So in this story, the three hermits. What is this three hermits he is talking about? Who are these three hermits? Three hermits who are staying in the island. So there is a beautiful story we go through in that three hermits are living in an island. So in that island, a bishop and the pilgrims visit there, and what was the experience of the bishop can be seen in next slide. A bishop, look at the points. A bishop was sailing towards a monastery in a vessel with pilgrims. So this was the situation where the story begins like this. A bishop was sailing to Archangel to the Solovtes monastery. So monastery is a place where these bishops and those who servants of God is living. Monastery. He visits. So by that time, while in that voyage, it was a smooth voyage. Bishop heard that a good man pointing towards the island. A good man pointing towards the island and talking about something. The bishop was very curious, and bishop asked about the hermits. So he was showing his finger towards that island and talking about the hermits. Bishop was very curious and asked about the hermits by seating himself on a box. So that is the island where the hermits live for the salvation of their souls. By showing the fisherman showing his finger towards that island and said that this is the island where the hermits live for salvation of the souls. So in next class we will learn more about that. So until that you have to read the text, okay, and I have given you references in the down. You can go through it. Okay. Thank you.